Hello everyone, today I show you how to disassemble iPhone 8 and replace motherboard. To disassemble iPhone 8 you need the following tools: screwdriver set, tweezers and opening plastic tool, plastic mediator, suction cup for removing display. In description of this video I left links to necessary tools and parts for replacement. Before disassembling, turn off the iPhone and remove the SIM card tray. Unscrew two screws near the lighting port. Display glued around perimeter of iPhone, and we need to hit the surface of iPhone for open it. Apply the suction cup near home button and pull up on the ring. Next, push the plastic mediator between the display and iPhone case. From this position, evenly and slowly open the display around the perimeter of iPhone. The iPhone case opens like a book. Open the display to the right. Next, using a Phillips PH00 screwdriver, unscrew the 4 screws and remove the metal panel. First, disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard, and after that, remove the 2 display cables. Next, unscrew the 3 screws and remove the metal panel in the upper case of iPhone. Disconnect the front camera cable from the motherboard. In iPhone 8 uses different size of screws, and in order not to confuse them during assembly, I recommend use a magnetic pad. Unscrew 2 screws and remove the metal panel. Next, disconnect the camera cable from the motherboard and remove the camera from the iPhone case. Unscrew 2 screws and remove the metal panel. Unscrew 4 screws. And now you can remove the plastic component from the case. Unscrew 2 screws and remove the ground clip. Disconnect the cable. Unscrew 2 screws and remove the one more ground clip. Unscrew the last 2 screws, one of which is hidden under the adhesive tape. Now, turn off all remaining cables and remove the motherboard from the iPhone case. When you're reassembling, pay attention to the size of screws and fasten them into place. Before final assembly, connect the display and check how everything works. Turn on the iPhone and let's check how everything works. If the iPhone works well, the next step is final assembly with gluing. Remove the old adhesive tape from the iPhone case. Also remove the adhesive from the display module. After, using medicine alcohol, wipe the surface of iPhone case and display module. Now take adhesive tape and apply it to the case of iPhone. With this tape, you save waterproof resistance of the iPhone. Also, I'll leave a link to this adhesive tape in description. Connect two display cables and front camera cable to the motherboard of iPhone. Install the metal panels and fasten the screws. Now close the iPhone case and press down the display around the perimeter of iPhone. Fasten the two screws near the lighting port. Now you can turn on the iPhone and use it.